We love this time of the year. We're all doing a lot more entertaining cooking for our friends, connecting with family. So we thought, let's build on this beautiful tradition and invite some friends round to the AEG Test Kitchen for a little AEG cooking challenge. Siphiwe, Tshabalala and the beast Mtawarira are going to be doing battle in the AEG Test Kitchen this morning. We've seen what they can do in some of the most crunch moments on the biggest sporting fields in the world, but can they handle it in the kitchen? Today we find out. Gents, I don't know why I'm so nervous, but it's real now. Chef Xoliswa has set this menu. No pressure, gents. She has only cooked for Madiba, okay?
I'm not cooking for Madiba. We are not cooking for Madiba. I used to have pressure. It's only in a pan, my son, not into the goal.
It's crunch time. Gentlemen, to your stations, if you will.
All the best, my man.
And we've got our amazing AEG team in the background to kind of give you a little bit of encouragement when you need it. Nice. Buddy, how are you feeling about being in the kitchen today doing battle against this big guy?
I feel good and I'm happy to be here because it's a great initiative behind it. So I'm here to have fun.
Dude, you don't look nervous at all for today. We're going to see the beast come out in the kitchen today.
Let's see what happens. Maybe I'm going to surprise you today.
All right, gents, are you ready? The challenge starts in 3, 2, 1. Take it away. Woo! What are you expecting from these two sportsmen today in the kitchen? How excited are you?
I expect them to be good as they are good in the field.
What are some of the pressure points where they could maybe lose their track?
Seasoning, presentation is number one.
Based on what you've seen so far, the guys hard at work. I can see the smoke coming out of their ears. They are concentrating so hard. Who do you think's got this in the bag? Is anyone edging ahead?
Don't do that to me. Don't do that to my boys. You want them to look at the mother who is going to judge them like badly. But I think both of them, they have it.
Veggies have gone in. The fish is now being treated with love and care. Look at that. It's a little shiatsu massage.
Yes, I believe in them and I know that they're going to do the right thing.
Shaba, we knew you'd be quick. Out the gates. Feeling a bit more confident now? How's it going?
Yeah, feeling good. So far, so good.
How do you think you're going to win this thing?
I think the presentation, so it's first time trying it out, but I'm hopeful that it will come out tops.
Any major mishaps so far? Is it going according to plan?
My fish, when I was trying to dress it up, I put the wrong thing on it. Some of the green stuff, chef, what is it?
Yeah.
The parsley, the parsley, yeah.
Angus.
So I put it on too soon, so I did mess up, and hopefully I can recover from that. So Siphiwe, tell me, brother, where are you now? Are you almost done?
Almost.
Stage,
Are you still rinsing the rice there?
Yeah, it's not a sprint to the marathon, eh?
Yeah. Veggies are good. They look good. Just a bit of broccoli that got a bit crispy. Tastes nice. Trust me, it tastes nice.
You've got 5 minutes to plate and plate it beautifully. Can you do it?
Yeah,
You don't have a choice. We've got the faith, boys. Do we have the faith in our studio audience? We do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop your engine! Well done! Wow. Boys, it's all now down to the final challenge. So I think this piece maybe was a tester. This piece looks absolutely beautifully cooked. So I'm going to give him the best shot. No, that is amazing. That is absolutely delicious. The fish beautifully cooked.
Beautiful. Fish looks beautiful. Color, everything.
Okay. And? What do you think of the presentation?
The clue of putting the fish on top of the veggies.
So you might have missed a trick there. Beautiful tasting dish. Is the flavour going to be enough to win it out? Wow. Okay.
The moment has come.
Is he going to disappoint Mama? Let's find out. So what do you make of the presentation so far?
Good.
Looks good, huh?
Good.
You
Yes.
followed your tip, getting the
Excellent.
veggies underneath. Should we go for it? Okay.
Stingy with the sauce.
Oh, stingy with the
Stingy with the
sauce. Lovely texture on the veg. Fish beautifully cooked.
Fish tastes so nice. The texture. The vegetable, the texture. Look here.
Okay.
He went stingy with everything.
Stingy with the sauce,
With
man.
the cheese. I can't taste the cheese there.
So the moment of truth has arrived, boys. Are you feeling nervous? I can see it in your face. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but both of you should be unbelievably proud. Incredible cooking today, boys. Incredible. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen,
The
the
moment.
winner of our AEG Cooking Challenge.
Is the beast. I'm sorry, my baby, that taste has been. I'm sorry. This was the taste that I had to go for now. Otherwise, you did the best. You did the best. Thank you so
No,
much.
thank
I'm
you
glad
so
and I'm
much.
happy
Thank
that you
you,
did
Mama.
this.
And you
And,
guided us all the way, so thank you so much. Oh, let's get this.
Where are the funds that you get to donate now because of this incredible win? Where would they potentially be going?
Yeah, I think something that's very close to my heart right now is, what has happened in KZN with the floods, and the Sharks have started the Hands of Hope campaign. It actually started during the unrest, so those funds will be going towards that, to assist. So I'm going to flip this the script a little. Shaba, I think I had an unfair advantage because I've had, obviously AEG help me in the kitchen to be better. So I think you are deservedly the winner, and I want to give you this. You're a great man, and what you're doing as well with your foundation, with your charity.
Yeah, thank you, my brother. I think there's a lot that's going on at the moment, especially in KZN. Thank you to AEG for the invite. I really enjoyed myself.
To our amazing AEG team, thank you for being our pop-up studio audience. You were beautiful as well. But gentlemen, thank you for doing the most today. One last round of applause for our dual champions of the AEG 2022 Cooking Challenge. We asked for Shaba and the Beast to step out of their comfort zone, and today they did challenge the expected. It was so awesome to see what they could do in the kitchen, and I think they both shone, but most importantly, what they are willing to do to help others. And these funds that are raised and being donated through today's efforts are going to be life-changing, life-saving, in fact. This has been the most amazing day. I am now a super fan for life. To the AEG team, well done and thank you.